Hi guys, welcome to another video, and this video is going to be short but very interesting because today I have got this Hotwheels Carbonator with me, and it is actually a fantasy casting, but it is a very interesting fantasy casting because if you see this spoiler acts as a bottle opener, and I am going to show you how to open bottles using this. So I've got a pair of bottles which have got these caps, and I had to order soft drinks with these glass bottles because generally you get alcoholic beverages which I do not want to promote because there are a lot of people following and some of them are as young as 10 years, and therefore there is this Mirinda and there is this Mountain Dew. So we are going to try and open this, and the procedure is very simple. See, first of all, this is the car and this whole base is metal, so that is how it acts as a bottle opener. This part looks like a bottle to show it is from the Experimotor series, and I'll be candid with you. I have tried opening bottles earlier. This does not have a 100% success rate. 75% is accurate, and even in that, it is not very clean. But this is something quirky. This is just something interesting that you can show your friends that, oh, see, I've got a Hot Wheels bottle opener. This is not a full-fledged bottle opener which you will find in the market. This is specifically for opening bottles. It is a toy which has a dual purpose. So what you need to do is you need to take this and you need to put it, hook it over here. If you see, you just hook it over here, and as simple as that. So how did you find it? Let's try opening another one, and as simple as that. So we've got a pair of bottles and we opened these using a Hot Wheels. So if you found it interesting, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.